Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crying at the Heart, and I am back with some more projects to share. I'm combining two companies. I'm combining Hello Bluebird and the Greeting Farm. I'm combining their Hello Bluebird Pond die, which is a fabulous die. I've had it in my collection for quite a while. They have a couple other different sort of scenic dies that I really want to get, but a lot of places they're sold out because they're pretty fabulous. So I'm using that along with two new to me Greeting Farm stamp sets that I have not used. One is Miss Anya Jingle and the other is Warm Wishes. So this is Miss Anya Jingle. So what I did with this one is a lot of times what I'll do is I'll color images, I'll stamp them out, and I'll color a bunch of images when I'm watching TV. Like I know I don't have a lot of time to make a complete card from start to finish. So I'll do it in stages. So I will stamp my images and then I'll come back and have to like have an epiphany on how to make it into a card. So what I did with this one after I stamped my images and I did a little stickling on the image so it has some sparkle is I cut out all my images and I kind of decided when I was piecing together this white piece that I really wanted the background to be pink. So it's this very pale pink back here. And then I did a little bit of ink blending on what is supposed to be the pond, but I'm imagining that the pond is frozen. So I inked it up in this light blue. And then the snowdrift behind, I stickled parts of it. So it's kind of got, so you can kind of see the different layers, right? It's like the background and the pond. You can kind of see that. And then the sentiment, all is bright, I just stamped and just kind of rough cut it around it and just made it fit right there. And I love how it came out. I think it came out really, really cute. Really cute. And then this one, I tried something a little bit different. So I got this new paper pad from Ulta New. I forget what it's called exactly, but it's like their Galaxy paper pad that had been out of stock forever, and then it finally came back in stock, and I got it. So I think I got it on a free shipping day, so it was happy day to get that. Because I had stamped this girl, this Anya, in this blue, and so I just thought that she would look great in this sort of nighttime snowy scene. And so the trees are in black, but you've got this sort of black galaxy background. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got this galaxy background. And then the pond, I made it kind of have this galaxy sort of look like it's reflective off of, the night sky. And then I've got the little, I think it's dog. And then the warm wishes, I just stamped and mounted on there. And there you go. And I really love how they came out. I think they came out really adorable and they're pretty simple. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crying at the Heart.